Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com. I wanted to do a quick video vlog on our Auto Harmonic Pattern indicator. This is for the TradingView platform. It's also available for NinjaTrader, Thinkorswim and Motiveway. Now I wanted to talk about entry strategies. I'm going to do a couple of examples here, but I'm also using some of the other indicators that are on globaltradingsoftware.com to help me with to build a strategy, if you like. So again, this is silver. This is live now. A Gartley pattern did complete in the automated pattern completion zone down in here. So we are looking for a long because it did complete in that zone. But what I'm looking for is an entry strategy. We're going into the European Open and lots could go on. So I want to be more conservative with this. So a couple of things, the very bottom subchart with the little dots, this is our bias indicator. So this tells us the bias on a higher time frame. So at the moment I'm on a 5 minute with silver, but this tells me what the bias is on the 30 minute. It goes up automatically. So when we get that completion zone, this D pivot here, my dots are yellow, indicating a neutral bias on that higher time frame. So I'm not going to press go on that long straight away. Also, I've got my false breakout stochastic here as well. As you can see, as we move along here, I get a green arrow, a buy signal on the false breakout stochastic, and I get my first green dot on the bias indicator. That same candle now starts to push above the EMA cloud. I've set this to 21 EMA. Again, all of these are available separately on globaltradingsoftware.com. I'm just combining them. So then I've got an entry then, a sensible entry above this candle here, where we get these first signals or bias indications that we are looking for bullish. So we got the, right back to the beginning. The Gartley pattern completed in the automated completion zone. We need an entry. So the entry on silver here, 27,235, and we are still long because then we use the EMA cloud as our trailing stop. So if you like, right now our trailing stop is 27,290. As you can see here, the cloud came back and was tested as support on this holding and is pushed higher again. So good looking trade, very simple. It all started with the harmonic pattern completing in that automated completion zone, and then we've got to look for an entry. So I'm going to use some more charting add-ons there to start to develop that strategy for that conservative entry for there. So other entries now, Euro US dollar for example. What happens when the harmonic pattern pushes through that automated completion zone, which it did here? So this is in effect trading the failure of that automated harmonic pattern, because not all harmonic patterns actually complete properly. So in this case, I get this back pattern, and this is my automated completion zone here where my cursor is. It pushes through, the price action pushes through here. We get a 6-star sell on my XBRAT algo. This is a good looking trade now because we are looking for that failure. A couple of ways to trade this is that when we get that 6-star failure, as you can see here, the bottom of this candle's just above the bottom of that pattern completion zone. So in effect what we're looking for is a short just below the pattern completion zone, because then it's a failure. Okay, so the harmonic back pattern, as far as our algorithm is concerned, is a failure because it didn't complete in that automated completion zone. So this is our entry. Our stop loss for this is just above this C wave pivot here. It's quite a big stop, but as you can see, when we get these 6-star sell signals here, we are actually also trading the failure of this harmonic pattern, and it just really goes down to here. As soon as this is Heikin-Ashi, so as soon as we get one green candle, we can get out, or if you see that price action, you can trade it. So we could also switch on an EMA cloud here, for example. We can put it on again. We're only day trading, so maybe even 13 is aggressive. and we use that as our trailing stop position. When we get a parabolic move like this, we are looking to manage it aggressively, so a 13 EMA cloud would be a good way, and this is where we would get out, take our profit here. So this one was probably a 1 to 1.6 type of trade, but again, two different examples when to enter. So it's like, you know, if we get the perfect setup on silver, it completes in the completion zone. We're looking for that resulting trade using some of the add-ons that we've got there, and we get a really good resulting trade. Now, again, with this other alternative, combining the harmonic pattern with the X-spread algo, I'm looking for a failure of the harmonic pattern and trading the opposite, you know, the continuation of this move down. I get the 6-star sell, which is the highest rated sell signal. I want to make sure I go low, short, below the low of this auto completion zone, because that's a failure, and the stop above that C pivot. So very, very simple. I'm going to do lots more examples of these, combining our indicators, and I'll probably do 2 or 3 a week, so those users can understand lots of different entry and trade management strategies. Hopefully that helps, and I'll speak to you all really soon.